A storm once swallowed the whole world, and Noah watched the sky like it might never clear again. But the waters finally fell low, and the silence after the flood felt heavier than the roar that came before it. So God placed a bow of color across the clouds, which meant the fear of another world-ending storm no longer ruled the hearts of Noah's family. And that's why every rainbow still breaks through after rain, showing the same promise that God would hold creation steady. So when the sky glows, you're seeing a covenant still alive.